Hi, I'm Dr. Khurram Shaukat Yusufzai. Today's video is about Toyota Altis Grande X package, which was introduced in 2021 by the Indus Motor Corporation in Pakistan. Indus Motor Corporation assembles Toyota vehicles in Pakistan. So the Toyota X package is a bit different, and I will talk about the unique features of the Toyota X, what it has currently which the others didn't have. First of all, it's the complete black leather seats with the complete black leather doors, as well as the completely black front console. Apart from that, the back bumper has a black garnish which was present on the front bumper. Now it is present on the rear bumper. The front bumper also carries LED fog lamps. Apart from that, there is a automatic electronic back view mirror which dims when the light shines on it, and there is a new light indicator in the speedometer. When you don't tie your seat belts, it gives you a warning light and a chime. So apart from that, there is nothing more special about the X package, for which they charge about 100,000 Pak rupees more, and the rest is the same old Toyota Corolla Altis Grande 1.8 liter mated with the 7-speed CVT automatic gear. The Grande 1.8 is different from the other Altises. It has a automatic adjustment for the seat, which is manual, not powered, and it has a push start, which the other Grandes, Toyota Altises, doesn't have. Only the Grande has. And inside the Grande, there is automatic climate control, which is single zone, and that's only found in the Grande version. The other Altis 1.6, 1.8 have a manual air conditioner. So the version we reviewed was X package Grande. It had the two-tone, like it had the camel colored seats and two-tone dashboard and the doors trims. For the complete black one, you have to pay extra. So the Grande was about the same, like whatever I told you. But the 1.8 normal version of Altis, which is not Grande, has 6-speed manual gear offered with the SAM engine, and also a 7-speed CVT automatic gear. In the 2020, the Grande would come with 5-speed manual gear. So the 2021 model comes with a 6-speed manual gear, which is a new thing. So I hope now you understand my review of like short review of what are the new features of the X package and what are the features of the Grande. For the detail of these three versions, like the 1.8 manual and the 1.8 automatic Toyota Corolla Altis X and the Grande X version, I would give a comparison at the end of video, which you can pause and also use the forward and back button to compare all three versions of the Toyota Corolla Altis 1.8 X package. The Grande has these vanity mirrors in the sun visors, along with lights for the passenger side and the driver side, which you don't find in the other versions. Rest of the car is same with a typical Optitron speedometer and a 4.2 display for the computer. There are pedal shifters in the Grande which you don't find in the other versions. The pedal shifters work when you put the CVT gear in the sports mode, and this will help you shift the gears. Very helpful in mountainous areas, and for example if you want to drive the car in a bit sporty mode with your choice of gears. In the end, I will be putting the specifications. You can see them and you can choose whichever car you like. I hope you liked my video, and I hope you subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, because to find my video among the billions would be difficult without subscribing. And I hope you do that if you want to meet me again. So I thank you very much for watching this video. So take care, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.